What's up guys, this is Wes, Keto-Q, Backyard Smokers, and Burnt Bermuda Barbecue. Today we're going to make a little bit of keto-friendly Mongolian beef. We've got all of our ingredients here, and let's get it started. Further ado, let's get started. Listed in no particular order, we've got the dry ingredients of 2 tablespoons garlic, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half cup of monk fruit sweetener. I've got about 1.5 teaspoons of xanthan gum. You can use guar gum here if you would like. And then we've got about a half teaspoon of sesame seeds, about 1.25 tablespoons of ginger. You can add a little bit more if you like a little more tang. And then I've got about a half teaspoon of lemon pepper. And for our wet ingredients, I've went ahead and mixed it all up there. We've got about probably 1/8 of a cup of monk fruit sweetener, about 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos, about a teaspoon of sesame oil, and then the sesame seeds, as mentioned before, they went ahead and went in there to go ahead and start soaking up some of that liquid. And for the steak, we've actually got right down here in our little bag to marinate. Little sweet, little heat on the back end. And Mongolian beef and broccoli is going to be delicious. We're just going to mix it up and plate it up.